KAC turbocharger is engineered to significantly elevate your vehicle's performance and efficiency. Tailored for compatibility with models such as the 2011-2019 Cruise 1.4 Lilo, 2013-2021 Trax 1.4 Lilo, 2012-2020 Sonic 1.4 Lilo, and 2013-2021 Encore 1.4 Lilo. This turbocharger excels in delivering enhanced engine power and responsiveness. It surpasses OE standards, ensuring a seamless integration and optimal operation. With its advanced design, the KAC turbocharger not only boosts acceleration and engine output, but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Its robust construction guarantees long-lasting durability and reliable performance, making it an excellent investment for drivers seeking to upgrade their vehicle's capabilities. The mounted premium car headrest tablet holder is engineered for seamless entertainment on the road, offering a robust and adaptable solution for tablets ranging from 7 to 11 inches. Crafted from durable aluminum, this tablet holder attaches firmly to the back of car seat headrests, ensuring a stable and secure fit. Its innovative multi-angle positioning arm allows for effortless adjustments, eliminating concerns about sagging or drifting, while providing an optimal viewing angle for various devices, including iPads, Galaxy Tabs, and Kindle Fires. Designed with passenger comfort in mind, this holder transforms any car ride into a more enjoyable experience by keeping entertainment devices firmly in place and easily accessible. The TRACGRABBER tire traction device is a revolutionary tool designed to provide ultimate assistance in tough off-road conditions. Crafted in the USA, these robust traction straps are engineered to offer dependable performance in snow, mud, and sand. By securing a TRACGRABBER to each of your vehicle's drive wheels and maintaining straight alignment of the front tires, you enable these durable devices to engage effectively. Once activated, the TRACGRABBER grips and propels your vehicle towards firmer ground, potentially saving you from costly tow truck fees and ensuring you remain mobile in adverse conditions. Ideal for winter driving, outdoor exploration, and hunting trips, this practical accessory enhances your vehicle's capability to tackle challenging terrains with confidence. The ASTROAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor Pump delivers impressive performance in a compact and user-friendly package. Designed for ease of use and portability, this model features a built-in handle, making it convenient to carry and store. It offers a robust maximum pressure of 100 psi, which is well suited for inflating car tires, light truck tires, sports balls, and even inflatable rafts. The inflator comes equipped with an easy-to-read digital display and multiple nozzle attachments to handle various inflation needs. Its high-efficiency motor ensures rapid inflation, while the integrated LED light allows for use in low-light conditions, adding to its versatility and practicality for any roadside emergency or recreational activity. The MUCAR OBD2 scanner stands out as a versatile and high-performance diagnostic device designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. Crafted by ThinkCar, this state-of-the-art OBDII scanner delivers exceptional ease of use and efficiency, featuring lifetime complimentary software updates that ensure you're always equipped with the latest diagnostic capabilities. The MUCAR CS series, including the advanced V07S model, is engineered to cater to various needs, from basic code reading and clearing to in-depth OE-level diagnostics across all electronic systems in your vehicle. With its sophisticated technology, the MUCAR OBD2 scanner promises rapid, precise test results, making it an invaluable tool for anyone seeking comprehensive vehicle analysis and maintenance. The WEBOOST Drive 4GX OTR 47012 mount truck cell phone signal booster is engineered to deliver superior cellular connectivity for truckers who demand reliability on the road. This booster is a game changer for overcoming the challenges of weak signal areas, ensuring uninterrupted communication by amplifying signals from all major carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, even extending to 5G networks. It supports multiple devices simultaneously, so whether you're navigating solo or with a team, every device from smartphones to tablets and hotspots will benefit. Installation is straightforward with tool-free setup and comprehensive instructions provided by the free WEBOOST app, and US-based support is readily available. With no recurring subscription fees, the Drive 4GX OTR comes with the added security of a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty, offering peace of mind alongside its exceptional performance. The Timber Ridge 5-person SUV tent offers a remarkable blend of convenience and comfort for camping enthusiasts. Designed to seamlessly attach to your SUV, it extends your vehicle's usable space, eliminating the hassle of exposure to the elements while accessing gear or staying dry during rainy weather. This tent comfortably accommodates up to 5 people, making it an ideal choice for family outings. The high ceiling and multiple entry points enhance ventilation and ease of movement. A standout feature is the removable movie screen, which adds a touch of outdoor luxury by allowing you to enjoy movies under the stars. With its spacious interior and practical design, the Timber Ridge SUV tent provides excellent value for its price, offering both functionality and entertainment for an unforgettable camping experience. The CARLINKIT CarPlay AI box, powered by Android 13.0, is a cutting-edge upgrade for your car's infotainment system, transforming wired CarPlay into a wireless experience. This advanced device features a robust 8-core Qualcomm processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a generous 128 GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth operation and ample space for your apps and media. With its seamless integration, you can effortlessly access Google Maps, stream Netflix, and more, all without the need for cumbersome cables. Although the initial setup might take a moment and it comes with a higher price tag, the CARLINKIT AI box delivers a modern, high-performance solution for those looking to enhance their driving experience with the latest in automotive technology. The EVOOOR Automotive Alloy Wheel Rim Protector is designed to offer top-notch protection for your vehicle's wheel rims, combining durability and style. Crafted from high-quality alloy, this rim protector boasts impressive hardness and resilience, far surpassing the performance of plastic or nylon alternatives. Its sleek, metallic finish not only enhances the visual appeal of your wheels, but also effectively masks any pre-existing damage. With a choice of 8 vibrant colors, it seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's aesthetics, ensuring both functionality and flair. Installation is straightforward, and if any section becomes scratched, you can easily replace it without hassle. Ideal for both urban driving and rugged off-road excursions, the EVOOOR Rim Protector helps maintain the pristine condition of your rims, safeguarding them from scratches and dents. The FAHREN H7 driving bulbs deliver an outstanding lighting upgrade for your vehicle with a dazzling 24,000 lumens per pair and a crisp, cool white glow of 6500 K, ensuring unparalleled road visibility. Engineered with a robust aviation-grade aluminum housing, these bulbs efficiently dissipate heat to prevent overheating, complemented by a high-speed 12,000 RPM cooling fan that extends their lifespan to an impressive 50,000 hours. The user-friendly design allows for effortless installation with a simple plug-and-play process, and the bulbs are compatible with 98% of vehicles due to their CAN bus readiness. However, some high-tech or sensitive models might require an additional CAN bus decoder to ensure flawless operation. Note that specific retainers for bulb installation are not included, as they vary by vehicle model. Ideal for both urban and long-distance driving, these bulbs promise exceptional brightness and reliability, enhancing your driving experience with superior illumination. The X-Bull new recovery traction tracks are engineered for off-road resilience and versatility, making them indispensable for adventurous drivers. Constructed from unbreakable materials, these tracks excel in various challenging conditions, from sandy deserts to muddy trails and snowy paths. Their innovative double ramp design simplifies usage by allowing quick placement under tires, while the specially designed teeth pattern enhances grip and traction, ensuring your vehicle stays firmly anchored. Equipped with 6 convenient side handles, these tracks are easy to maneuver and transport, offering dependable support when you're tackling rugged terrain. The X-Bull recovery traction tracks combine durability, functionality, and ease of use to keep you moving, no matter where your journey takes you. The VACALLITY upgrade rubber wheel chocks are the ultimate solution for ensuring stability and safety for your RV, trailer, or off-road vehicle. Engineered for heavy-duty use, these wheel chocks feature a robust design that excels on diverse surfaces like grass, sand, and mud. Each chock is equipped with a 47-inch high-performance nylon rope, making it easier to secure larger vehicles such as trucks and trailers. The reflective yellow stripes enhance visibility, adding a layer of safety in various environments, from dimly lit garages to busy commercial parking areas. Made from durable rubber, these chocks are designed to resist slipping, weather conditions, and oils, offering superior longevity compared to plastic alternatives. With their enhanced grip and rugged construction, VACALLITY wheel chocks provide reliable performance and peace of mind for all your outdoor and travel needs. The ATSAFEPRO digital tire inflator with pressure gauge sets a new standard for precision and convenience in tire maintenance. This advanced inflator features a state-of-the-art digital gauge that offers precision calibration with an accuracy of up to 1%, surpassing traditional analog models. It supports multiple measurement units, including PSI, bar, kPa, and kg/second, with a broad range up to 200 psi, making it versatile for various vehicles from SUVs to motorcycles. The integrated bright LED light enhances usability in low light conditions, while the inflator's ergonomic handle ensures comfortable operation. Its multifunctional design includes an air bleeder valve for quick deflation and a durable construction that guarantees reliable performance and leak-proof operation. The LCD screen, with its green backlight, provides clear readings and automatically conserves battery life by shutting off after 60 seconds of inactivity. The CYBERGOING tire inflator portable air compressor stands out for its remarkable versatility and efficiency. This compact device excels in both inflating and cleaning tasks, boasting a maximum tire pressure of 150 psi and an impressive suction power of 10,000 psi. Incredibly efficient, it can inflate a tire from 33 psi to 38 psi in under 2 minutes, thanks to its 4 preset inflation modes: bicycle, motorcycle, car, ball, and 4 adjustable units: PSI, kPa, bar, kg/meter. The high-speed brushless motor ensures strong suction for tackling stubborn debris and dust in your car, while the included multi-purpose accessories enhance its utility for tasks such as vacuum bag emptying and air mattress inflation. With its robust 5,000 mAh battery, the CYBERGOING device offers extended performance, reducing the need for frequent recharges and ensuring you can tackle both tire maintenance and interior cleaning with ease. The ENERGIZER 1100 watts power inverter offers impressive performance for all your on-the-go power needs. With a continuous capacity of 1100 watts and a peak power of 2200 watts, it effortlessly handles a range of devices from laptops to small appliances. The inverter's dual USB ports, each delivering 2.4 amps, 4.8 axis total, make it easy to charge your electronics while you're traveling. Its LCD display provides real-time updates on input voltage, output wattage, and battery level, ensuring you're always informed. Safety is a priority with features like overload protection, temperature monitoring, and short-circuit protection. Designed for versatility, it includes 2 standard North American AC outlets and a set of 3-feet battery cables for straightforward installation. The compact size and ultra-silent thermal fan contribute to its efficient operation, making the Energizer ENK1100 an essential companion for road trips, camping, or emergency situations. The Artago 862AB car handbrake lock is a robust and ingenious security solution designed to thwart potential thieves by securing both the handbrake and gear shift of your vehicle. This lock stands out with its unique design, which includes a high-security locking mechanism featuring an anti-drill ball, making unauthorized access significantly more challenging. The lock's adjustable fit allows it to be customized to various vehicle configurations using a universal screw adjustment, ensuring a snug fit for enhanced security. Its vibrant yellow color not only ensures high visibility, but also adds a layer of deterrence, as its compact form doesn't intrude upon your vehicle's interior space. Crafted by Artago Secure, a distinguished name in European car security, the 862AB promises exceptional reliability and peace of mind with its superior build quality and cutting-edge design. The Andobil car phone holder stands out with its diverse range of mounting options, ensuring a perfect fit for any driver's preference. Whether you opt for the magnetic ease of a mount, the convenience of a wireless setup, or the stability of vent, cup, or dashboard placements, Andobil has crafted each design to enhance your driving experience. These holders are engineered to securely cradle your phone, providing a stable and easily accessible position while on the road. Enjoy the freedom of hands-free operation and effortless navigation, knowing that Andobil's holders are built to keep your device safe and in clear view throughout your journey. The Tesfram store's Tesla Model X license plate mount stands out with its robust construction, utilizing high-grade aluminum that far exceeds the durability of conventional plastic alternatives. This license plate mount is designed with security in mind, featuring a unique one-key handle system for effortless installation and tamper-resistant screws to thwart theft, all without the need for drilling. Its sleek, minimalist design ensures that airflow is unobstructed, thereby preserving the vehicle's performance while keeping the license plate securely in place. Additionally, the mount offers adjustable height settings, allowing you to position the plate at the ideal level for both aesthetic appeal and regulatory compliance. The outdoor-grade anodized finish guarantees rust resistance and long-lasting performance, making it an ideal accessory for Tesla Model X models from 2022 to 2024. Whether you're looking to enhance the look of your vehicle or meet legal requirements, this mount delivers on both fronts with style and functionality. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest car gadgets and tech innovations. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more exciting content.